I'm Skip Edwards. Today we're here to show you how to recycle water with the AQUAmaxx system on a small job application. I'm going to introduce to you Lynn and Kelsey with Ermator.
Hey Skip, thanks for having us.
Nice to meet you.
So what we're doing here is we're basically cutting down on the amount of water that we use on a smaller job. By using the AQUAmaxx in our pre-separator, like Skip said, we're going to put in about a quart of that. We call it priming our system with the water. So we're going to take our grinder, it's a wet grinder. It's going to have its 3 to 5 gallons of water in it. We're going to put in the AQUAmaxx into our pre-separation tank, which is about 15 gallons of water with a quart of the AQUAmaxx. And that way, any of the slurry and dirty water that's coming into this tank first, as we reclaim it, is going to get treated with the AQUAmaxx.
We can go ahead and also prime it in our water tank if we like to. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and dump some in our water tank. And you see, so what he's doing is he's priming here, so we're only going to use this much water to recirculate our whole system. So that's kind of the easiest way to do it. So we're not going to be chasing any water. And you'll see later on in the video that we're going to use this machine to pump the water back to our grinder. We're just going to keep going. Okay, so now we're at the end of the job, and we're going to go ahead and do our cleanup. One of the nice features I do like about this pump here, the vacuum/pump, is at the end of the job, I'll simply just turn my machine and simply wrench down the bottom of my machine. Now, if you notice the bottom of my machine is not full of muck and mud.
So now we want to get as much of the material that's in the vacuum unit out with the pump and pump it into here. We're now going to use this as our final cleanup area. So we'll get everything that's in there down to the last inch or so of dirty water.
So what we like to do is go ahead and take our product, Eco-Quickgel, and just take a scoop of it and just sprinkle a little in there. And we're going to turn on the vacuum and just suck it up in the hose so it goes into the vacuum.
And you can see we're hardly dripping any water already, because the Gelmaxx is inside the bag and this stuff is all getting hard already, ready to throw away.
Cut it open. You can see it's a dry granular. Now, if you see how dry it is, it can still be used more. Take this and just use this to dehydrate the remaining balance. So it's going to turn it into a dry type gel look. That's the simple process of dealing with the concrete slurry, recycling the water, going through this whole process on a small job. If you have a larger job, we also have a large job video too as well. So keep looking for us on Facebook, Google, and Twitter. Thanks.
All right, I'd like to thank Skip again for having us and utilizing his products with our vacuum system.